Welcome to Soup Crafts. I am Soup, and today we're going to open number 9 of our 12 days of Christmas. All right, let's see what's in this bag. We've got some more sentiments today. May your special day be as wonderful as you are. Cheers to another year of making beautiful memories. Birthday wishes. May this year bring you countless blessings and endless seasons to smile. May today mark the start of your best year yet. Happy birthday. Sending you warm wishes for a day full of cake, smiles, and everything you love. Let's party. And once again, there is a coordinating die set. I'm back with a project for our Cheers to Another Year stamp set. I'm not going to use the die set that goes with this today, but in addition to this, I will be using one of the backgrounds that I made with the Chalet background stamp. I will also be using this die, which came in a Spellbinders card kit from October of 2022. Okay, I've punched a 1.5-inch circle out of just plain white cardstock. I'm using chipped sapphire, and I've got my block loaded with the Let's Party stamp. On the 9th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 9 ladies dancing. Okay, that turned out great. Okay, next I'm going to do the inside, and I've got the stamp that says, "May today mark the start of your best year yet." I have been saying something similar to that in cards for years now. I'm using chipped sapphire. After the humble service of the milkmaids, the energy picks back up with a celebration. In the symbolic tradition, these 9 ladies represent the 9 fruits of the Holy Spirit: love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, and self-control. That might be a little bit off, but I'm going to go with it. Okay, now my panel is cut to 4 by 5.25, as is my background that I have here. And I'm going to go ahead and glue this on. It's a beautiful reminder of the positive traits that dance through a well-lived life. If you're enjoying this 12 days history, please let me know by tapping that thumbs up icon. Okay, I'm going to put that in the middle, but I want it to stand out a little bit more. So I'm going to take my ink and I am going to go around the edge. The actual 9th day of Christmas falls on January 2nd. In many Eastern traditions, this day honors Saint Basil the Great. Saint Basil was known for his incredible generosity to the poor and underprivileged. Okay, I think I like that. Yes. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and glue that there in the center. In Greece, it's a tradition to bake a special cake called a vasilopita with a coin hidden inside. Whoever finds the coin is said to have the blessing of Saint Basil for the entire year. This die from my Spellbinders card kit cuts out these little curlicues that I think were supposed to go on the tree. And there's one with 5 loops, 4 loops, and one with 3 loops. And I'm going to cut them so that I have one with 2 loops and one with 3 loops. I'll leave the 3-looped one, and then I'll cut the 4-looped one in half so it's got 2 loops. Okay, and I'm going to arrange these around here. If you're interested in seeing more of my content, please consider subscribing so you can always find me in your subscription list. I want them to just look like they just sprung out of here. By day 9, the realization starts to set in that the 12 days are almost over. Historically, this was the day that households began the massive preparations for Twelfth Night, the eve of Epiphany. After I get these all arranged, then I will come back and glue them on. Because the final night was the biggest party of the year, Day 9 was filled with the sounds of practicing musicians and, of course, dancing. The 9 ladies dancing perfectly captures that frantic, joyful energy of a house getting ready for a grand finale. I don't know, I feel like that looks pretty good. Looks like a pretty good party. All right, I'm going to go ahead and glue these down. Now this is going to be a little tricky. While the birds of the early days represent provision, the dancing ladies represent community and movement. Probably what would be a good idea is to use some double-sided tape on the back of this before running it through, but I did not do that. If your pickup stick isn't picking up, it could be that there's something on the end. Just have to wipe it off a little bit. In the medieval world, dancing was one of the few times men and women of different social standings might actually interact in a festive setting. Since I don't want to get glue on my foil, I like to use the back of my pickup tool to press that down, and then I just wipe it off as I go. It was a gift of social joy, breaking the cold silence of winter with rhythm and laughter. There was a practical side to Day 9. After a week of heavy feasting and constant fires, Day 9 was traditionally a day to sweep the hearth. I don't know why it took me so long to realize that my squeezers were the right tool for this job. They wanted the house to be pristine for the arrival of the three kings on the Epiphany. In some rural areas, the ashes swept on this day were spread in the garden or orchard to ensure the fruitfulness that the 9 ladies dancing symbolize. Okay, I think that's all of them. Yep, got them all on there. All right, I am considering using the silver glitter. Even though I complained a lot about it, I think I might. Okay, I'm just going to use a scratch piece of paper to protect my surface, and then I am just going to put in some dots. Okay, I think that's it. I think I'm back to the beginning now. All right, here goes nothing. All right, I think I've probably got them all covered. Okay, that actually looks pretty good. I definitely should have put the inside on before I did that, but I think that I can do it. I'm gonna give it a try. Tell me in the comments, is your craft space currently pristine and ready for the finale? Or do you need a day 9 cleaning session to find your desk again? That's where I'm at. If you enjoyed these day 9 facts or found inspiration in this project, please let me know by tapping that thumbs up icon. And if you're ready for the final 3 days of our 12 days countdown, make sure you're subscribed so you can find them in your subscription list. Okay, here's our card. On the outside it says Let's Party, and it's got a lot of bling and shine. And then on the inside it says, May today mark the start of your best year yet. Thanks for watching. Bye.